Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is uh, a short video for how to make invoice in iContext LLC. Let's start and listen carefully, please. Look, in the desktop we have to go invoice shortcut. Then from there we have only one. Right now we have only one Excel file. Click on that and you will get format of our what is called our invoice. As of right now, let's see what is that. Here is the invoice button right here, and then iContext LLC, our DB is icon cell phone, I add computer, and then gifts, and our slogan as of right now is get and give a gift. This is our address 3744 and 3744C would be best. Say Suite C, Suite C. Okay, you need not to write this. This will be fixed always. So Houston, Texas, and then this is our phone number. You can add our fax number right here. Okay. Now this is our website address, and look, date, you need not to worry about date. Date will be automatically updated every day when you will click on this Excel invoice file. And for making the invoice, you have to make sure never ever delete anything on that. And here you see a small red button right here. Look at this. If I just hover my mouse, then I can see put invoice number. So let's see, this is your first invoice. So write 1. You will get what our invoice will start with 10,000. Now you have to keep track what is the last number. Never delete this. When you see here is one, now invoice number is 10,001. Now you want to make a new one, then put look in this cell, put 2 in there and click. You'll get a number 2. Say it's a 2. Now you need an invoice, say number 236. Go there and write 236 and you'll get 236. Remember, you cannot see the number here, because if you can see, then it will be printed, so we don't want that. Now the next thing is for what we are making the invoice. Say personal service, personal service. Write it down. Service name. What is the customer we're billing to? Say Sanfosla Rabbi. We are billing for him. And company name is you need not that. Street address, say 409 East Virginia, say Beaumont, Beaumont, Texas 77705. Phone number is 409-998-5782. So this is the way we write to whom to bill to. Now the most important part is, look carefully. This is quantity, taxable quantity. Actually we need not this column, so let's get rid of this. So here is your quantity, and here is your description for what we are doing, and here is your unit price. And this is especially important when we sell something and that has to be taxed. But how let's see what is going to happen. And this is the total amount, and you will get automatically, you'll get this. On the bottom, look, I put whatever was written in the previous invoice is guarantee applies on personally for 90 days from the date of purchase. Minimum service fee $20 for cell phone and $35 for PC or laptop. Make all check payable to iContext LLC. If you have any question concern about this invoice, concerning this invoice, then call our phone number. Thank you for your business. This is the overall. Now let's start. Say we are selling one quantity of SIM card, say Simple Mobile SIM card, SIM, SIM, that's it. Then unit price, say $10. It will come right there. So we know that Simple Mobile SIM card is taxable, right? So write a tax T in there, just T. You'll get the tax. So now one, so you put Simple Mobile bill payment, say $40 bill payment, okay? So mobile bill payment. Just write it down, and then unit price, how much? Say for example 40 bucks. Then it will show up, but this is not taxable, so don't put T on there. Okay, so if it is not taxable, you'll see there is no tax added in it. If you just put a T in there, you'll see the tax. So don't put tax for kind of Simple Mobile. To say we have sold two iPhone cover. Okay, so iPhone 5 cover. Okay, say how much? So $8.99. We know that this is taxable item. So put a tax in it, and you'll see the difference. See the difference in the tax column. So here is a tax. So now let's see. We have one service for port in existing number. Port in existing number. Put in existing number. That means if somebody wants the same number in a different mobile company, then this is called port in existing number. And say our service charge, we know that. So our service charge is 20 bucks for that. So let's put 20 bucks in there. And what do you think? Is it taxable or not? Definitely no. This is taxable. Look here. This is unit price, and automatically the amount will be there. So we know this is taxable. Look, when I put a T, you'll see the change in the tax column. So look at tax. Look at this. You change the tax. Tax is automatically, and the total is automatically added like that. So this way you can do the whole invoice. So make sure you never touch on the gray area right here. Never touch it. Never ever touch it. So if you touch them, then it would be something of problem. You have to change the blank only the what is called white space. You need not to change this, because you know that you need not to change that. So let's, for the invoice again, so you need to say number 2 invoice. You have 10,001 number invoice. The last invoice was 10,001. Now we need a 2. Just put a 2 here. You'll get 10,002. Okay, you done. Now you need number 3. Okay, so you put a 3 in there, and in there you'll get a 3 in there. So that's the way it works. So let's see another gift item. So like we sell 10 t-shirts. Okay, customize t-shirt. Say customize t-shirts. T-shirt. How much is the price? $14.99. Okay, so this is $140.99 there. So now we know this is taxable. Put a tax in there. Okay, now we got, like, look at this, your tax is changing. So now say we wanna give a discount to a customer. So we calculate all this, and then we said, okay, since you are a new customer, so you want some let's see, you say you want some discount. Okay, so if we put something like that, if you wanna put some discount, then look at this on right here. If you put a discount, then you have to put a negative figure, say $5 straight discount. Okay, write this. So So here is the other column. You can put a discount, and actually we can write as a discount or commission. Say discount, flat discount it should be, and discount. So hope you enjoy this, and whenever make sure that this is a blank column, so that means this is white, so you can change it. Okay, say flat discount, say discount. This is for example. So look, this is a blank column. So once you are done, now let's talk about the printing. Just go to the print section and just click on print. You need not to worry anything. We have already set everything in there. What you have to do, just go and print. Look, brother MFC, choose your printer, and then OK, and you'll hear the invoice in a couple of seconds. So you heard the noise of the printer. The invoice is printing. So here is this is the example, and the invoice is printed as it is, and I cannot show you, but later on you can see this how it works. Once you are done, look, you have to delete all the items in the blank space. Okay, so what about the blank space? Let's do a little bit thing. So okay, so you need to delete this, delete that, and this. You have to delete all this. Okay, and you need not to delete anything, and keep your invoice number there because next time you need it. And then delete, look, up to here, up to tax actually, because now your invoice is ready to serve the next customer, and save it. Okay, if you want to save the specific invoice, then you can save it, because okay, let's see, you want to save a specific invoice, then go save as Excel workbook, and okay, give a customer name. Say for example, as Rabbi, and what is the date? Is 12/9/2002. So, or you can just say okay, 12/9/2002 .1. That is the first invoice you made on 2000. The file name is not valid. Okay, so let's put another way, 12/9/12/01. So that's your first invoice you made on that. You can save it. Now once you saved, then delete all this thing, and then you're ready to serve the next customer. Remember, you have to delete this too. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.